This video shows how to format the list. So it is by default for the browser to style the symbol that is displayed before each item list for the unordered and unordered list. So to change the type of list marker or to prevent any display of a list marker, we have to use the list style type and specify the type. So here the type is the various types of markers. So this figure shows the values of the list style type property. So we can have the disk, circle, square for the unordered list. And for the ordered list, we have decimal and decimal leading with 0 like 01, 02. We can have also the lower Roman, okay, that we if we want to apply the lower Roman numeral for our list items. Upper Roman, lower alpha, like ABC in small letters, upper alpha in letters in capital, lower Greek, upper Greek, or you can have also the none type, which will not display the marker. Okay, so now let us try to apply these various types of list style type property. Okay, so we are here in our Sublime. So we'll try to make this one as visible for the viewer. Okay, so we have to apply the list style type property to our list item. So we have the li, and the property is list style type. And by default, it is okay. By default, it is a disk. So let's try to apply the disk. Okay, 5. So if ever okay, we will remove this one, then save because this was previously applied with the list style type property. Save. Then let's try to refresh F5. So by default, the list style type is disk. Now let's try the square. F5. It's that, sorry. Up. So we have here the disk. Then we have to apply the square. Then F5. So we have here the square for our list items. Now let's try the other one. We have here the circle. Now let us have the circle. Okay, and refresh. So we have here. All right. So for our ordered list, we have here the decimal leading 0, lower alpha. So let's try to apply the list style type property for our ordered list. So we have to look for on where we can apply our let's see. Right. So let's try to apply the ordered list to our mission statement. So we will go back to Sublime. Okay, and our mission, we will apply the ordered, the ordered list. Okay, we will modify this one from UL to OL. Save. We are here in our mission F5. Ordered list. Save all. Oh, I sorry. So save. Mhm. Okay, so in our mission statement, from the default that is disk, it is turned into circle since we have applied the list style type property for circle, and this style is applied to all web pages in our sample website. So that is why circle is applied to this one, when in fact we have to modify um, the type of list, which is the ordered list, from unordered to ordered list, and it is still applying the list style type property, which is circle, since we have specified the type in our list items. Now we have to apply the list style type property to all list items that is the descendant with the list items under ordered list elements. So we have the list style type, which is for example, we will try the lower alpha and refresh F5. So we have here A, B, C, D, right? So you can have also the upper Roman, lower Roman, okay, lower Greek, upper Greek. Now let's try to apply the um, upper Greek. Okay, save F5. Oh, okay, let's try to have the upper Roman. F5. Okay, probably the Greek characters is not applicable for this one. Probably there's something uh, missing for our that we need to add for our um, style. All right, so the next one we can have the none. Okay, so none, that is remove the default um, style, remove the default style for our list item. Okay. Okay. Now let's proceed. Okay, so we can also customize the graphic image of the list marker that can be supplied by the user. So for example, we are going to specify the image, okay, for our list marker. So this is the syntax: list style image, where you have the value as the URL. Here in the URL, you have to supply the file as the image for the list marker. Now let us try. Okay, so we have here our um, icon that we can use in our image a list style type property for our image marker. Now, say for example, we will, instead of circle, we'll be applying. So let us put this one in a comment, and let's apply the list style image, and we have to specify the URL, and the name of our file is bikeicon.png. So bikeicon.png, save and refresh. So we have here our image, our list markers. Now, okay, something like this. Now for the position, setting the list marker position, um, by default, CSS treats each list item as a block level element that is placed within a virtual box in which the list marker is placed outside the list. Okay, so something like this. The list item is this list marker is placed outside the virtual box. You can see this one here, right? Then if you are going to apply zoom in and zoom out, the level of the second sentence or the second line for the list item is placed right the level, okay, right down of the first letter of the list item. So to apply the position, so we have the property list style type position and specify the position value whether inside or outside. Okay, so we have here list style position. Let us say have inside. Save and try to refresh F5. So it's now inside the virtual box. Now we have as shown, we have applied our position that is inside the virtual box.